Hi guys, you know what everyone says about breakfast is the most important meal of the day to get your metabolism going and to stay alert at school or at work. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and nutritious breakfast in the morning that is paleo friendly and doesn't give you a spike in insulin like what most breakfast does. All you need are just 3 ingredients and 15 minutes, so let's get started. Today we are going to make the good old scrambled eggs with fresh vegetable salad. So the ingredients are cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and fresh farm eggs. For the cooking and seasoning, you will need the following: olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, Italian mixed herbs, and black pepper. Start by slicing the vegetables. You can mix and match any vegetables that you like. Sometimes I fancy wild rocket with cherry tomatoes. They taste great with olive oil and a dash of balsamic vinegar. Sometimes beetroot with bell peppers. Just go with whatever vegetables that you enjoy. The point is to add colors to your plate, because the more colorful the vegetables, the more they are packed with vitamins and minerals, and not forgetting fiber that is so important for good health. Once you're done with the vegetables, you could set it aside. You can heat up the pan while it's slicing the vegetables to save a bit of time. I add a small coin size of olive oil in the pan and swirl it around. It's important to note the heat level. I crank up my dial to 7 out of 12 for heating up the pan and bring it down to 5 once I see that the eggs are starting to cook. So once you feel that the pan is sufficiently heated, you can crack the eggs into the pan. 3 eggs are just about right for one person. I tend to go for the organic free-range eggs even though they are slightly pricier. The taste is much better and more nutritious as they are not packed with antibiotics like the eggs from caged chickens. You can tell from the deeper color of the yolk, a darker or yellow-orange color, and firmer consistency of the yolk and egg white. And the scrambled eggs turn out fluffier too. Now I like to add a pinch of salt to my eggs, not too much, and the salt that I use is this Himalayan mineral salt. Now I see that the eggs are starting to cook. This is the time when I would turn down the dial to about 5. And one other tip before I forget to share with you, it's good to use a spatula to cook scrambled eggs because you can scrape and fold the eggs and not scratch the bottom of the non-stick pan. As you can see, my eggs are almost done now. Now that the eggs are done, it's time for seasoning. I would add a little bit of Italian mixed herbs onto my scrambled eggs and also some cracked black pepper. As for my vegetables, I like a bit of olive oil and drizzle on top of them, and also some balsamic vinegar. Of course, you can toss the salad if you want in a separate bowl before serving, but just for time's sake, I just like to drizzle on top of the vegetables. And there you go, a quick and nutritious breakfast to start off your day. I hope this video inspires you to make healthier choices for breakfast. For more healthy recipes, please click below to subscribe. And as usual, thank you for watching.